Hey, bro dads, moms, oldies, and small goldies. Christmas is coming and we need it especially this year. Some of us are not loaded with cash, and that is why I came up with these DIY Christmas ideas. All you need is a jigsaw and some cheap wood. This is no fancy YouTube video, the main point is the ideas. I'm Martin, and let's make this Christmas great again.
There are at least two ways of drawing a sword. The first I draw is the cartoon sword, but I will settle for the real world sword, which is the easier to make. The total length of the sword is about 40 centimeters and it is 8 centimeters wide at the hilt. For these quick projects you can also use pallet wood to cut costs. The first time I made a sword like this I used 20 minutes. I used a jigsaw and an angle grinder with a flap disc for the job. To shave off the edges of the sword, heart and shield, you can use a knife, angle grinder or a router. Just pick and choose considering your budget. I prefer the angle grinder. Now let's move on to the shield. I will use 3 boards that measures about 10 centimeters. Then I can make a round shield with a diameter of 30. Christmas is all about family, good food and making good memories. So if you want to elevate the shield and sword gift, sit down with your kids gathered and tell at least one story about a knight in shining armor saving the princess. Then afterwards they can reenact the tale, and Dad of course being the dragon that has to be slayed. When it comes to finishing the shield, you can draw cool patterns, paint it, burn it with stripes, or if you don't like that look, just burn the whole thing.
Now we have just taken care of the kids. Give them each, well, I have two. If you got 5, you're in trouble because you'll be making these all day long. Well, it takes about 20 minutes, so 40 minutes per kid, and you can count it out. Now, the wife. My idea is that she needs something to look at all year long, and remember the story between the two of us, and that's why I will make her a heart-shaped wooden thing, and I will also write her a nice card telling her the story and what I remember of when we first met. Okay, let's do it.
red called Traffic Red. I needed it to be a bit darker, so I just put that little dampened black paint I had together with it.
Okay, wifey, I must admit this, my heart belongs to you, but I have cheated. Not on you, but I already made my 3-year-old son a sword. Not this one, another one. It didn't leave his side for a week, and having a belt to put the sword in made it even cooler. Now, for a Christmas present, I will give both my kids a shield, so they can really get the Viking spirit and fight it out when they argue. It is gonna be something. Merry Christmas, kids, and to all of you, of course. And if you have not pushed the subscribe or notification bell yet, now is a good time. Merry Christmas! Woo-hoo.